Depositing checks on the phone of TD Bank is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. So let's see how to deposit a check online with your mobile device on the TD app. First step is to go to the deposit page. Second step is to register for mobile deposit. Then once you are done with registration, enter deposit information. Now select deposit check near the top of the screen. Next step is to capture the check images. Next, make sure to write these mentioned things on check. After all this, review and finish. So last but not least, view deposit history. And you are all done. You will receive a confirmation that your check deposit was successful. Keep this confirmation for your records. The check will now go through a processing period. Typically, this takes a business day or two, but it may vary. The funds should be available in your account once the check is processed. After your check is deposited and cleared, it's advisable to securely store the paper check for a certain period, usually at least a few weeks before disposing of it.